ShortStack allows you to automatically collect images and videos posted to Instagram when they're posted with your specified hashtag. To do so, you'll need to set up a hashtag feed. To start, you can click this hashtag feed button on the dashboard, or click Feeds to navigate to the Feeds Manager. Then click New Feed. Select which platform you'd like to pull posts from. Select the profile that is connected to your Instagram business account. Name your contest. This is for your reference only. Then, select a list you would like the entries to be stored in, or create a new list. You can indicate if you would like to require the post to also include an @mention. Then, indicate one or more hashtags you would like to require in the collected posts. You can also choose whether you'd like to only collect posts with images or with videos. Lastly, if you're displaying the collected entries in a gallery, you can choose if you would like to manually approve the entries or if you'd like them to be approved automatically. Next, select the date and time you would like ShortStack to start collecting entries, and the date and time you would like it to stop. Note that when collecting entries from Instagram, your start date and time cannot be in the past. Double-check all of your feed's parameters are correct and click Save and Exit. Your feed will be accessible here in the Feeds Manager or in the Lists Manager.